Today, I want to introduce you to a hidden gem that's been saving photographers, designers, and digital artists a lot of money. And that tool is called Photopea. It's an online browser-based photo editor that works almost exactly like Photoshop, but it's completely free. No downloads, no sign-ups, no subscription plans. Just open your browser and go. Photopea is basically Photoshop in your browser. It supports PSD files, Sketch, and even Adobe XD formats. So whether you're editing a portrait, designing a flyer, or tweaking a social post, it got your back. It even supports Smash objects, which is a big deal if you are used to working non-destructively. For photographers, this is hands down one of the best free tools for skin retouching, color correction, and quick cleanups. And because the UI is so close to Photoshop, if you are switching over, you barely feel the difference. It has its pros and cons, so let's break it down. What are the pros? The pros are it's completely free to use, it works on any device with a browser, with a familiar Photoshop-like interface, supports advanced features like layers, masks, and adjustment layers. It opens SD files natively, so you can collaborate or migrate with ease. And here are the cons. It has no offline editing. You need internet access. It can lag a bit with very large files. It has limited raw editing options. It's not ideal for deep color grading or tethered workflows. That said, for most day-to-day editing, especially social content, light retouching, or even basic graphic design, Photopea is more than enough. Quick tip: if you're worried about losing work, make sure to save your progress frequently. And yes, you can export your work as PSDs, JPEGs, PNGs, even SVGs if you're doing vector design. If you're a photographer or creative looking for a free Photoshop alternative, I highly recommend giving Photopea a try. It's lightweight, powerful, and best of all, it's kind to your budget. Let me know in the comments, are you just discovering Photopea or have you used Photopea before? I would like to hear your thoughts and how you're using it in your workflow. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more creative tools, editing tips, and software reviews. See you in the next video.